On 10th April 2022, 3 Khasi residents of SABUDA in Block 2 were arrested by Assam police. The arrested included BARSON LAWAI, STANLING KHRIAM and DISPARSING MUKHIM, whom the police claimed to have plotted to the burning of the UMLER bridge in the area. A case was also registered against the 3 at ASSAM'S BAITHANGLANGSO police outpost. Following this, the MDC of MAWHATI constituency, Charles Marngar, had submitted a memorandum on the incident with reference to the memorandum submitted by the Sunjuk Kirang Bashnong border areas to the additional Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, M. Tongper. The intention of submission of the memorandum was to demand for the transfer of the particular case from the BAITHANGLANGSO police outpost in Assam to the Meghalaya police, as the incident had occurred at Block 2 under Maulasnai outpost in Ribhoi district. MDC of MAWHATI Charles Marngar, while condemning the action of the Assam police, informed that the 3 arrested Khasi men were only farmers of the border village of SABUDA. Marngar further informed that following the arrest made by the Assam police, members of the Bashnong had inspected the site of the UMLER bridge only to find no evidence of the alleged plans of the arrested to burn the bridge. Marngar therefore demanded for the 3 to be brought back to Meghalaya for Ribhoi police to conduct further interrogation of the arrested.
Mengapoi hidup kita kejingking UMLER. Ndai yang mengapoi kita kejingking umdan iya. Berhadin kita apa deh? Nagaliang kejongang ngalalik bani kendu perpangi kilong kemi. Idon kita kumbalai kau sapu kilong kemi bukli. Bersong sosi kat kijing jauh mat kijongki dan perkat ialah kijongki beriu kijongki. Yang layu mana musim iya iki. Berhadin kita ngalalik kendu yo in charge jong kemalus naik. Layu bani keren. Perkumtahi marmar lawan bani kendu yo Superintendent of Police jong Ribhoi District jongi bani keren halor kini kijingja. Jadi sosi ba menen ya layu cintip ba ka BAITHANGLANGSO Police Station kala register case no ikini kilanya. But menem step menen kidan hapo ulu kunci outpost but menem step lara ikisha BAITHANGLANGSO Police Station. Jadi ay kemana kuat ban penpau ni kalong kami. Ini kilayut kita Khasi gitu. Kinong snong jong ka snong SABUDA. Nagaliang ka jonga ngawan ayang ni kini kijing thok. Ban refer ya kini kijing thok kabala thok na Sunjuk Kirang Bashnong border area. Ban thok show Deputy Commissioner ban kerpat ban transfer no ya ka case ka jong kini kilayut. Nang kay po BAITHANGLANGSO Police Station sa Meghalaya Police. Kamar ba kini kilangot kini Khasi ki jong. Haga jing sisa katu ka met hi. Ki pulit Assam. Kila day ban IT la ne ban handover ye kini ki breu gungi sa Meghalaya Police. Ika day ka foreign ni begin yetli. Ika pat ya baro ni sen malam. Wan sakman. Ngaru adan hang ni kum nong mi kmat. Kwa ban lay nya consult lang. Nya consult lang. But the district administration, but the police jongi nang nene Meghalaya, kenang bagadom jag si namar bangi hapan perkan, iki parad of prasnam ko jongi, iba syong hangte, balagan maklamangi karkomnya yanti kan bu jeng kena kagadaw si simpat nga kerpan, ya pi kipai ba no susnong, ikinong yalam seng balang, but iki wai ki kono yalam, makin sobha, ba kano bangin le, in le daga bangi tip, daga bangi skoltu, daga jing tip beru belai bat kam tam dah kabangin dan kecing setuk jemur. Hai, ngidam ngibitar, ngaruh ngidam ngibitar. Ngrai kata kecing dam kecing bitar jungi. Let's say yo kau nak penman kecing ia ikan song jungi. Tapi hapan perkat. Dia ngrai, ingin sepet pat deh. Ke ega baca dia bagi ada penai kecing setuk. But mardor hingga kerpat dia soka. Mentahi kita ban leh je. Kahum political kita ban tuklar nak mentahi. Kenang ban laban transfer no. Ya kakis nanti. Dengan aku beli ro ujuk kupon. Yau MP jong kalok sabah kesngi Pak Vincent H pala kagba menen kesngi lai kendo iru bana kaliang jong iru nadep ban keren yau MP jong ka karbi angno bana kaliang jong uru la persanghi ban kau gelak tinti ban yaram na ka benta ini gilaingut irang ba ibadon benta ko BAITHANGLANGSO Police Station.